Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice for those that are new here, and for this video I'm going to be testing out this Oh Wow brand that I got gifted to try, and I'm going to be doing an honest review with this kit. It's basically gonna help smooth out my hair. It comes with shampoo, conditioner and a smoothing cream or gel. It comes with an instruction leaflet as well. This is the leaflet. I've also got a discount code for you guys if you guys would want to try it out as well. It's Janice10. I'll link it somewhere on the screen, and yes, let's give it a try. So my hair is actually really greasy right now. I haven't washed it for 3 days. I normally wash my hair every other day, but I just didn't have time to wash it last night, so I'm just gonna have to wash it first because it says you have to apply it on clean and dry hair. So I'm gonna wash my hair first with the shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna apply the treatment on. It says that I should leave the treatment on for an hour, so let me just wash my hair and be right back. After washing your hair, you just want to do the obvious and dry it. Using my handy dandy Cloud 9 hairdryer. Is actually so powerful and amazing. It's got like 3 settings: cold, hot. Oh wait, this one's the hot or cold setting, and then this is the power, and then there's a cool button here just in case it gets too hot for your head. It's amazing, guys. I've just washed and dried my hair with the shampoo and conditioner, and it says that I should apply this smoothing treatment on clean dry hair. So now I'm just sectioning my hair from bottom upwards. This is so we can distribute the treatment throughout our hair evenly. Guys, I cannot tell you, I was actually struggling to open this bottle for a good 5 minutes. So here you can see I'm putting a towel around me. This is because the treatment started to irritate my skin, which I'm not too sure that should happen or not. I just finished my whole hair, and keep this on for an hour and then rinse off without any products. So just rinse it off with water. After rinsing off the treatment, you just want to blow dry it one more time before straightening it. Section off your hair like this and start straightening each part of your hair. This part is really crucial, so make sure you do this carefully. So keep doing this until you have done your whole head. So I definitely see a difference. My hair is a lot smoother and it is just so nice to run my hands through, whereas before it was super knotty and you can just feel my dead ends. Now it's just super, you can still kind of see some split ends, but that's inevitable because, you know, your girl just has dead hair, but this has definitely made my hair so smooth. It feels so nice, honestly, because my hair is just never been this smooth before, ever since dyeing and bleaching it and putting a lot of heat on it. But this is actually really nice. Like, it's just so smooth. Can't stop touching my hair. Let me know what you guys think of it after you've tried it. Overall, recommend. And yes, this is it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.